Look at the bird. The bird's literally trying to go for the chips.
Thank you.
Welcome. The bird literally trying to go for the chips. Look at it. So deep. Look at the bird trying to take the chips. Oh yeah, my screen. The bird. He literally took the chips through the freaking fence. This is one of my friend's chip bags, and he just left it outside, and now it's getting taken.
I don't know which one.
The bird is taking the fucking chips. Trying to get through it, but he can't get through the chips. And he got through the bag. There we go. Welcome. Look at the bird. Oh, before the damn bird moved.
Son, there's no bird.
There is a bird. The bird was over there holding the chip out.
I told you